lot of blessings has come through this film. There have been a lot of youngsters for whom this film, I've been an uncle, so that's okay. I hope I'm able to appeal to them also. But so much thank you all the families, and keep coming and blessing the film, because someone has to make such movies. Someone needs to make such movies. The Hindi needs to be used. Some families come, little children, they need to sit and they need to just watch what it is to really be a family. I know it's difficult. I know we don't get such directors, we don't get such writers, we don't get such people wanting to experiment, thanks to Fox, to all of us. But please encourage everyone to make such movies, whether hit, flops, but these need to get made. Thank you. And now I ask Salman Bhai to come, who has been the backbone in all my good times, bad times, to have made me go further and further. No, make what you want.
It's a huge improvement after Judwa, na? है ना? Even I noticed that. That from Judwa में we started off कि करेंगे क्या? वो दोनों में कुछ difference ही नहीं नजर आ रहा था. सिर्फ बाल का एक सेंटर पार्टिंग था, एक साइड पार्टिंग था, वही. Eventually तो जूते भी सेम पहनना शुरू कर दिया मैंने. अब ऊपर कर लो या पैंट भी सेम. Too much of मेहनत in this. And how to, after coming out his film, that was last film was his film, and then after that to do Judwa. So then there was one step that the dance director at that point in time said, ये step, ये. तो ऐसा हाँ कर रहा हूँ, one more cut. तो ऐसे क्या कर तो रहा हूँ, इतना ही आ रहा है बस. तस अभी भी हम आपके कौन से निकल रहे सूरज पर जैसा कह रहा हूँ यार.
I will try my best, but that was when our time, जब संजय होते थे, राजेश होते थे नाम, जब फिर गौरव आए, so I have to really make what I really know. So for me, I really don't know what youth will want. I really need to make what I really want to make. And that is the, I love to make a love story, and we'll make a love story, but it has to be something I really want to make. To appeal to the youth is not in my hands. It's really not there.
No, don't worry. He's not become uncle, and he was trying his best to make me uncle. We've seen that it didn't happen in this one. And the next one I told him also, that we'll go a lot younger. कि माँ मैं first class pass हो गया माँ.
And sir, one more question.
Graduation की degree लेकर मैं टोपी उछाल रहा हूँ.
Yeah, definitely we are getting them ready to be put on the DVD, and they are lovely scenes. They are lovely scenes for both of them, and including him and the fun, and also lovely bondage of families. But then there is a length angle to it. As it is, people say it's long, so. But we surely want to get it ready.
रिकॉर्ड तो टूटना ही चाहिए, किसी का भी हो. अब मेरा आके टूट जाएगा. I hope, and I hope not. But hope not is selfish. I hope is better for the whole industry. So I rather hope than hope not. And then I hope for me as well as for the industry that I come and break the other person's record.
सबसे best compliment मेरे को सूरज जी ने दिया. क्या? You've done your job well. I think that's the best compliment an actor can get when the director's happy with your work.
My mother, Alvira, and Alize, her daughter, they saw it with about 15 people, in London. They called me up at, I think, यहाँ का कुछ 2-2:30 बजे थे, and they have absolutely loved the movie. And the people they were watching the film, the whole theater has really, really loved the movie. And there were people who were laughing and they were crying, and it was a really nice energy in the theater. So the first time Alvira has ever complimented me that great job. And obviously the tareef was him only.